Oh dear.
Hi, buddy. How are ya?
You'll have to show it to Steve tomorrow night.
Yes. Hello. It's a funny guy.
We can do that, can't we? Give me 5. Come on, give me 5. There you go. There you go. Good job. That was a good 5. Do a 5 again? Give me 5. Come on, give me 5. Come on, give me 5. Come on, give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Oh, there you go. Okay, good job. You got the job. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Okay, back to the river dance.
Trying to get some footage of the river dance.
Get the river dance going. Come on, get it going. Here we go.
Hi, buddy. Hi, Kaiju Killabrew. There you go. That's river dancing.
Look at that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? He's like, feel my face, not my feet. You were meant to be a river dancer. Born to be a river dancer. Mad river dancing. Hi, big boy. Oh, really? That's cute. The interchange is very cute.
You're so cute. You are just the cutest little pumpkin head. I love you so much. Here we go. Here we go. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Yeah. What?
Thank you. He's like, and now I shall river dance for you.